Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Born from a desire to dominate the racetrack and dressed in one of the most iconic silhouettes in BMW's history, this is the 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL. The Batmobile of Bavaria, a lightweight legend that put BMW Motorsport on the map. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior, and this is where the 3.0 CSL truly earns its wings, literally. The L in CSL stands for Leichtbau, or lightweight, and everything about this car was designed to shed pounds and cut through the air. To achieve weight savings, BMW engineers replaced steel panels with aluminum for the hood, doors, and trunk. Even the side windows were swapped with perspex, a lightweight acrylic. But what truly sets the 1975 model apart is this outrageous aero package, earning it the nickname Batmobile. With a large rear wing, roof spoiler, air guides, and a deep front air dam, this wasn't just for show, it was all functional, developed for homologation in European touring car racing. It's bold, it's beautiful, and unmistakably 1970s motorsport. Interior. Inside, the CSL is Spartan, and that's by design. The cabin is stripped of unnecessary weight, no power windows, no thick insulation, and minimal sound deadening. Yet, there's still a touch of elegance. The wooden trim reminds you that this is still a BMW, a grand touring machine at heart. The gauges are clean and analog, providing all the information a driver needs, while the thin-rimmed steering wheel connects you directly to the road. This is not a car that isolates you, it involves you. Performance. Under the hood sits a 3.0-liter inline-six, eventually bored out to 3.2 liters in the later models, producing around 206 horsepower and 211 pound-feet of torque. That may not sound like much by today's standards, but in a car that weighs just 2,600 pounds, thanks to all those lightweight components, it's more than enough. The engine sings through twin Zenith carburetors, and when paired with the 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers a raw, mechanical experience that modern cars simply can't replicate. Equipped with sport-tuned suspension, ventilated disc brakes, and near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, the CSL was a corner-carving machine. On the track, it was dominant, winning the European Touring Car Championship 5 times between 1973 and 1979. The 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL isn't just a car, it's a statement. A symbol of BMW's racing intent, engineering prowess, and design courage. It paved the way for the M division. Without the CSL, there would be no M3, no M5, no M Legacy. And today, it stands not just as a collector's dream, but as a reminder that sometimes, the boldest moves create the most unforgettable icons. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary BMW 3.0 CSL, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next classic car feature. Got a dream car you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments below.